Hey everyone, thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to, the Red-Headed Rebel himself. Today we're going to install the Red-Headed Rebel XL tonneau cover. Perfect roll-up design there. Comes with everything you're going to need to install the tonneau cover. Rails, clamps, all the hardware. The only thing you'll need are hand clamps, as you can see Joe using here. And of course to tighten up components you'll want to have a 1/2-inch socket and wrench. You'll want to start in the middle. Go ahead with that hand clamp in order to get that middle clamp positioned and tightened. Next, move on to the tailgate. Make sure to pull her up just a little bit so you've got proper clearance for the tailgate, but also to make sure you have a nice tight seal. At the end here, you're going to see an extra stripping that we placed there. Move on to the front and repeat on the other side. Taking a look at the front, again, this comes with a few strategically placed weather seals. It's all 3M adhesive, so make sure that you get her nice and clean before applying. Simply peel and stick. Again, repeat on both sides. We're going to go ahead and get tension adjusters attached to the tonneau cover. Real easy with a square nut already installed for you. You'll just need to line up a bolt there. Before we drop in that tonneau cover, always make sure, as you can see Joe there, placing those straps so they sit on the inside of the pickup bed for further installation. Tuck in the front weather flap. Gives you a little added security there, making sure all the water stays out of your bed. This is the part where, now that we've got that tension adjuster installed on the cover, we're going to tighten back up to the rails. Again, that 1/2-inch socket is going to come in handy today. Tightening up both sides will give you a nice, strong lock on the front end there. Now our second set of seals we're going to place on the cover itself here. You'll want to snip to your desired or needed length. Simply peel, stick. Again, make sure the surface is nice and clean beforehand. And just like that, you are good to go. Automatic latch on the driver's side will lock anytime you close it. Whenever you want to hit higher speeds, it's not a bad idea to use the manual lock located on the passenger side of your tonneau cover. Military grade Velcro works great. And voila, the Red-Headed Rebel XL is installed. Join us at RHRSwag.com.